Hey, it's me, Big Odo. That's B-I-G-O-D-O. Come on an adventure with Big Odo. Whoa, look at me, I'm jumping up and down. Whoa, I'm like an airplane, I'm flying. Hey, do you want to go on an adventure to the airplane place? That's gonna be fun. Let's go on an adventure. Let's go on an adventure to the airport. There's lots of gliders there, and I think we'll be able to see one taking off. With any luck, we will. So come on an adventure, let's go! Hey, it's me, Big Odo. Look what I found. I found a white car. And if you thought that was cool, look over here. Here's a white biplane. It's called a biplane because it's got two wings. It's 1, 2. And come and have a look at the front. Wow, look here, it's got a propeller at the front. Goes around and around and around. Oh, look down here. It's got 2 black wheels. Here for rolling along the ground. Maybe we can watch an aeroplane take off up into the sky. That would be super cool. Let's see what we've got around here. Come on. Wow, look at all these aeroplanes in here. They are so cool with their wings and their propellers that go around and around and around. This is so amazing. Hello. Have you ever been in an aeroplane before? I have. It went way up high and I could look out down at the ocean, down at the land. I was passing over the top of everything. I am so excited. Hey, I wanted to show you how we can make an aeroplane out of a piece of paper. Look at this. We're gonna fold it down the middle. Here, like this, and like that. And then we've got, look, we're gonna unfold it, and we've got this middle line, a line in the middle. Then we're gonna fold this corner in like this, and then crease it with our finger, and then fold this other corner in like this, and crease it with our finger, and then we're gonna fold it again, like that. And then crease it, turn it this way, and fold it again like this. And put a crease down here. Look, then we fold it together, like that. Fold it together. Then we fold the side down like that. Run our finger along. Down like this. Run our finger along, and then look, if we unfold it, we've got an aeroplane. Should we see how it flies? Come. I'm gonna go just over here. You ready? You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3, take off!